need to quickly get answers from a language model without writing complex prompt engineering. We'll configure DSPy with a model, then use its predict class to ask a question and receive the response, all with just a few lines of code. Import DSPy. DSPy, configure, lm equals DSPy, lm, OpenAI/GPT-4o mini. Predict equals DSPy, predict, question answer. Result equals predict, question equals, what is the capital of France? This demonstrates DSPy's signature-based prediction pattern for language model interaction. The code establishes a direct mapping between a simple input-output declaration and an executable LM query, using just the essential configuration. The distinctive feature is how the entire workflow reduces to declaring what you want, the signature, rather than how to get it. The pattern operates through declarative composition. The string signature, question answer, serves as both the interface contract and the instruction generator, while the LM configuration specifies the backend. When invoked, this minimal setup produces a structured call where the question becomes the input and the raw model response becomes the output, with no explicit prompt construction visible in the code. This approach matters because it provides immediate, boilerplate-free access to language models for straightforward tasks. The entire interaction fits in 3 lines: configure the model, define the signature, and execute. The visible trade-off is that all implementation details about how the question gets formatted or how the response gets processed remain abstracted away in this minimal example. Let's break it down line by line. Import DSPy. This imports DSPy, the core library for defining and executing language model programs. All subsequent DSPy operations in this example depend on this import. DSPy, configure, lm equals DSPy, lm, OpenAI/GPT-4o mini. This configures DSPy to use OpenAI's GPT-4o mini as its language model backend. The single line establishes which model will process all subsequent DSPy predictions in the script. Predict equals DSPy, predict, question answer. Declares a predict module that transforms a question string into an answer string. This establishes a single-turn prediction signature, the simplest DSPy pipeline for direct question answering. Result equals predict, question equals, what is the capital of France? This executes the predict function with a literal question string, demonstrating the simplest possible invocation pattern. The result captures the raw model output, showing direct string-in string-out behavior with no additional processing. DSPy predict pattern. The code demonstrates the fundamental DSPy workflow where DSPy, predict, creates a single-turn module mapping a question to an answer. The result variable contains only the raw answer string with no additional metadata or processing. This exact pattern forms the foundation of all DSPy programs at their simplest level.
The predictor that asks, nothing answers everything.